This next mistake that you guys want to avoid is not understanding your hair type and texture before you start cutting your own hair. So as a self hair cutter, I recognize that I've got thick hair, right? So you got to figure out, do you have thick hair or do you have thin hair? So figure it out for yourself. Do you have thin hair or do you have thick hair? The second thing, is your hair straight? Is your hair wavy? Is your hair coarse? Right? What direction does your hair go? Is it wavy like this? Is it coarse so it goes like this, like my hair does? Or is it stick straight, right? Is it straight? So those are the things. You got to figure out the direction and you got to figure out the density, right? So is it thin or is it thick? Is it thick and wavy? Is it thin and wavy? Is it thick and coarse? Is it thick and coarse like my hair, right? So density and figure out the direction, right? Once you figure out this, it'll be a lot easier for you to figure out later on, because if you cut your hair, let's say, and you're like, why did my hair do this, right? I didn't want my hair to look like this or my hair to do this. Curly hair, when you wet it and you just let it do its own thing, it curls even more. So this is good, because when you're cutting your own hair with scissors, you'll know I gotta cut less, because I know the more I cut off, the shorter my hair is gonna look because it's curly, right? So it's good just to understand and to recognize the type of hair, whether it's thin or thick, and whether it's coarse, wavy, or stick straight, because how you cut your hair with scissors or with clippers is gonna really matter, because I cut people with straight hair different than I cut people with wavy or coarse hair. So really figuring this part out about what's your hair like is going to dictate how you learn how to cut your own hair and the steps you need to take. Because I'll tell you right now, thinner hair is easier to cut than thicker hair. Straight hair is easier to cut than wavy, curly, or coarse hair, right? So typically, thin and straight is easier, especially when it comes to the guidelines and seeing hard lines. Because typically, oh, and then color too. I can't forget color. Are you blonde? Are you redhead? Or do you have dark hair, right? Dark hair like me, you'll see hard lines way more than if you were blonde. Because blonde, everything's kind of like the same shade, right? The same light white, yellow shade. But with dark hair, you're going from potentially your skin tone to this dark color on top, and you have to find the gradients and blend it in from the skin to this. That's a whole nother story. So the color of your hair, the density, thin and thick, and the different types of textures, right? Is it straight, wavy, curly, coarse, whatever? Just understand yours and know that there's different ways to go about cutting your own hair depending on which variety of those hair types and textures you have.